Have you ever wondered what the future of food might look like? What if I told you that we now can create sustainable lab-grown meat? We've all heard about plant-based meat alternatives, but have you heard of lab-grown meat? This groundbreaking technology is revolutionizing the food industry. In this video, we'll explore the science behind lab-grown meat and why it may be the future of our food supply. Hi, and welcome back to our channel. We hope you're enjoying our content. To stay up to date with all the latest news and trends, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And now, let's move on to the video. Lab-grown meat is revolutionizing the way we think about our food. The process of creating lab-grown meat begins with a biopsy from an animal, which is used to culture the cells in a lab setting. These cells are given the right nutrients and conditions to grow and multiply, typically over the course of several weeks or months. Once there's enough meat tissue, it's transferred into a bioreactor, where it continues to grow until it's ready for consumption. This process is complex and requires a lot of resources, including specialized equipment, facilities, and utilities. While several companies are working to bring lab-grown meat products to the market, there are still many questions around cost and scalability that need to be addressed in order to make this technology a viable solution for the future of food. However, as consumers continue to explore alternative sources of protein and become more aware of the impacts of animal agriculture on the environment and public health, lab-grown meat may represent an important part of our collective food system in years to come. This new way of producing food offers many advantages over traditional livestock production, such as lower emissions, reduced water consumption, and no need for antibiotics or hormones. Lab-grown meat is a great way to reduce our environmental footprint and create delicious, healthy foods that are also sustainable. We're truly entering a new era of food production with lab-grown meats. The possibilities of lab-grown meat are truly exciting, and more companies are getting involved every day. By investing in this technology now, we can ensure a sustainable future for our planet and its inhabitants. As the demand for lab-grown meat grows, many countries have begun investing in this emerging technology. Governments and private sector entities are pouring resources into research and development, hoping to be at the forefront of this burgeoning industry. Some countries, like Japan and China, see lab-grown meat as a strategic opportunity to boost their economies and become global leaders in this emerging field. Meanwhile, other nations view lab-grown meat as a potent solution to environmental and food security concerns. Regardless of the motivation behind their investments, it's clear that countries around the world are taking lab-grown meat very seriously. As more companies and investors enter the lab-grown meat market, we can expect to see even greater levels of investment in this exciting new technology. With every passing year, it'll become easier and cheaper to produce high-quality, nutritious meat without harming animals or damaging the environment. As a result, many experts believe that lab-grown meat will soon become a staple of our food system, offering major benefits for people and the planet alike. We look forward to seeing the amazing advances that this new industry will bring over the next few years. The future of lab-grown meat is an exciting one, and it's time to get involved. By investing in this new technology now, we can ensure a brighter future for our planet and its inhabitants. We look forward to seeing the amazing advances that this new industry will bring over the next few years. Together, we can create a future of delicious, healthy, and sustainable food that's good for the planet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this important information with your family and friends. Let's show the world that lab-grown meat is the future of food. Let's make the future bright together.